नमस्कार जय जगन्नाथ भाई भौणी मैंने आज मु आपण मन पई माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस रो किछि टॉप 20 एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन सब डिस्कशन करिवा। आज रो एही पार्ट रे हम देखिबा एमएस वर्ड, एमएस एक्सेल, एमएस पावर पॉइंट एंड एमएस एक्सेस रो किछि रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन सब देखिबा। आउ एग्जाम फोकस पई एटा बहुत इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन देखियो बोले। जो जो मानकर एमएस ऑफिस रे डाउट थिबो कि खाली रिवीजन करियाउ थिबो से माने एही वीडियो आपण मन पई बहुत सहायता करे हे परिबो। सो आमे बिना किसी डेरी करी चलंतु हमर एही सेक्शन टी को स्टार्ट करबा। हमर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होची हमर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होची which of the following is a not a part of Microsoft Office Suite? Option A MS Word, option B MS Excel, option C MS Paint and option D is MS PowerPoint. The right answer is option C MS Paint. Next. Now question number 2. Which Microsoft Office application is mainly used for creating documents? Option A MS Excel, option B MS Word, option C MS PowerPoint, option D होची MS Access. The right answer is option B MS Word. Next. Now question number 3. Which feature in MS Word is used to create personalized letters for multiple recipients? Option A find and replace, option B mail merge, option C track changers, and option D is autocorrect. The right answer is option B mail merge. Next. Now question number 4. Which option is used to insert a table in MS Word? Option A home plus tab, option B insert a table, option C होची view table, option D होची layout plus table. The right answer is option B insert a table tab ଟାକୁ click କରିବେ। ठीक ଅଛି। Next. Question number 5. Which shortcut key is used to make selected text bold in MS Word? Option A Control plus I, option B Control plus U, option C Control plus B, option D होची Control plus P. The right answer is option C Control plus B. Next. Now question number 6. Which Microsoft Office application is primarily used for calculations and data analysis? Option A MS Word, option B MS Excel, option C MS Access, and option D होची MS PowerPoint. The right answer is option B MS Excel. Next. Now question number 7. Every box in Excel worksheet is called a desk. Option A column, option B row, option C cell, and option D is sheet. The right answer is option C cell. Next. Now question number 8. Which symbol is used to begin a formula in MS Excel? Option A plus, option B hashtag, option C is equal to, option D होची at the rate. The correct answer is option C is equal to. Next. Now question number 9. Which Excel which Excel function is used to calculate the total of selected numbers? Option A count, option B average, option C sum, and option D होची max. The right answer is option C, some. Next. Now question number 10. Which Excel function returns the average of a selected value? Option A sum, option B average, option C mini, and option D was count. The right answer is option B, average. Next. Now question number 11. Which feature summarizes large amount of data in Excel? Option A, word art, option B, pivot table, option C, mail merge, and option D is smart art. The correct answer is option B, pivot table, the pivot table. Next. Now question number 12. Which feature is used to represent data graphically in Excel? Option A, table, option B, chart, option B, formula bar, option D is header. The right answer is option B, chart. Next. Now question number 13. Which Microsoft Office application is used to create presentations? Option A, MS Word, option B, MS Excel, option C, MS PowerPoint, and option D is MS Access. The correct answer is MS PowerPoint, option C is the right answer. Next. Now question number 14. A presentation in MS PowerPoint consists of this. Option A, worksheets, option B, slides, option B, slides, and option C, records, option D হচ্ছে pages. The correct answer is option B, slides. Next. Now question number 15. Which feature adds movement effects to object on a slide? Option A, transition, option B, animation, option C, hyperlink, and option D is header. The right answer is option B, animation. Next. Now question number 16. Slide transition is applied this. Option A, between two slides, option B, inside a table, option C, on a chart on a chart only, sorry. Option D হচ্ছে on a worksheet. The right answer is option A, between two slides. Next. Now question number 17. Which Microsoft Office application is used to manage database? Option A, MS Excel, option B, MS Word, option C, MS Access, and option D is MS PowerPoint. The right answer is option C, MS Access. Next. Question number 18. In MS Access, a collection of related data is called a desk. Option A, presentation, option B, workbook, option C, database, and option D is document. The right answer is option C, database. Next. Now question number 19. Which of the following is an example of database বা DBMS, database management system? Option A, MS Access, option B, MS Paint, option C, Notepad, and option D is a calculator. The right answer is option A, MS Access. Next. Now question number 20. Which Microsoft Office application is used to Office is best suited for storing and managing large amount of related data? Option A, MS Word, option B, MS Excel, option C, MS PowerPoint, and option D is MS Access. The correct answer is option D, MS Access. So thank you everyone ଆମର ଏହି series ଟା ଭଲସେ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ। ଯଦି ଆପଣ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମର ଏହି ସ୍ଲାଇଡ ଟା ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ତ ଲାଇକ୍ ସେୟାର ଆଉ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଆଉ ଆଗାମୀ ଚାପ୍ଟର ପାଇଁ ପ୍ଲିଜ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ କୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ ମଧ୍ୟ କରନ୍ତୁ। So thank you, have a good day।